Thank you guys out there for watching. Thank everybody for taking their time. Listen, man, it's freezing outside. You guys see what I'm doing. You got to bundle up out there for real. But listen, man, today is Fitted Friday, man. Listen, I've been actually contemplating on switching my day to. Should I drop videos on Friday, or should I do like a tilt your hat? You know what I mean? You know, you got to tilt your hat sometime. Tilt your hat Tuesday. I've been thinking on what I'm going to do next. But listen, anyway, I got some heat coming for you guys. I got some heat right now. I got a 3-piece of a team that's pretty rare. You don't see it all the time, but on top of it being pretty rare, I've had one of these joints literally for over half a decade. I think this hat that I'm about to show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys in order that I picked them up. I think I had it, my son, I think was like 1. He might have been close to 1. My son's 9 right now. So long story short, let's get straight into it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get straight into it. This right here is a team called the Salt Lake Bees. If you're not familiar with them, listen, it's just, I'm gonna let you get familiar, man. Yes, I promise you I've worn this hat a handful of times. If that, I can no longer actually fit this, as at that time I was buying 1/4 because I wanted that nice, you know, that nice fitted on me, baby. Don't ask me what I was doing at that time. But this right here is the Salt Lake Bees. I do not remember where I got this hat from. I wish I did, because I'm sure they probably got some heat if they still open. You know, a lot of places closed down, or a lot of small shops don't exist anymore from my era when I was collecting. This is what they call a plain Jane. There is no side patch at all. Got the black UV, black liner. Like I said, some of these new kids on the block, they call them black nasties. Ain't nothing nasty about this black, man. It's clean. It's, you know what I'm saying? That's the cold bottom, man. That's the cold bottom. So you guys see the new era sign sticking out like it's supposed to, unlike what I'm wearing right now. But I ain't gonna talk too much about what I'm wearing right now. I literally threw this on because I feel like it went perfect with the hoodie, as you guys can see. But anyway, I'll be trying to coordinate sometime. This hat, I believe I showed you guys maybe like a year and a half ago. I also believe I may have thrown this on one time. I'm not 100% sure. But this is also the Burlington Bees. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this was an exclusive fitted release. I believe this is definitely from a store in New York. This is 100% sure. But as you see, it's just rare. It's really rare that you see the actual logo and the side patch for any team, not just this team, but it's very rare that you see them together. You see the front logo is actually the logo that is used for the side patch. So at this time, when I actually got, this was actually a gift too. So when I got this hat originally, this was the first time I'd ever seen the side patch. So it meant a little bit more to me, but it's also a little small. If you guys can see, it's definitely not, as you can see what I got on right now, this is kind of broad. This is a lot more broader than what this is. So it's actually an awkward side patch, but I love it. I love it nonetheless. Of course, my only dispute is that they blended the new Arrow logo, but this is a pinky also. You guys see what we call pinkies. It's a pink UV white liner. And the pink UV thing, quick story on that. This was actually made in dedication and celebration of the people who were cancer survivors. So long story short, shout out to the guy. I think his name is, I ain't gonna say his name, Pink Bottom Just, I believe his name is. He's from Hat Club, I think. He was the guy that was originally behind doing the pink UVs. So shouts out to him and anybody that knows him. Now last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, listen. And I showed you guys the clip. I'm showing you guys a hot little 3-piece today. But listen, this was done right. This right here was a Christmas release, believe it or not. This was from what they call the Crumpets pack. This right here, it do hit different. It do hit. Do your homework on the bees, dog. Do your homework on them big bees. Do your homework on the bees being red and black, looking like a Chicago Bulls hat. Do your homework on that New Era logo, bracking, sticking out like it's supposed to. Like it's supposed to. You see, I gotta hold this one close to me. This is dear to heart right now. Like, this is a hat. If I could have made it, I would have done nothing different. I promise you. Only thing I might have done different was probably the liner. Like I said, I think white liner, just the material, whatever they use for the interior, I feel like is a lot more comfortable. I've never put this on. Again, this was a Christmas release. So this is actually from a pack. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be showing the other piece from that pack, which I have over here. But again, this is about the Burlington Bees, y'all. Let's focus on the topic at hand, right? This right here is from the Crumpets pack once again. And as you see the side patch, the irony in this is, I feel like they are the same, but I feel like this one on the Crumpets pack is just a little bit larger. Or maybe I'm tripping because of the shades. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think. But yeah, it's the same side patch, same logo. And again, just something you don't see all the time. Very rare. I want to say this is the second or possibly third time I've ever seen this. But this has a gray UV black liner, as you guys can see. Now that's heat. You see what I'm saying? I love that. I love how they did the minor league logo. So let's recap and do. I love how they did this minor league logo. You see them 5-point stars banging. And I love how they did this minor league logo. So all in all, it's definitely one of my favorite logos. Again, the bees, man. The bees, man. You know, straight from the hive. Straight from the hive. You guys power up off some of them honeycombs, off some of them honey packs. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know which one of the three is your favorite. And let me know what you want to see next. You know what I'm saying? You want to see some of my ideas? Either way it go, if you want to channel, you're going to see some of my ideas because I got some of my own stuff coming up soon. But thank you guys for watching. Peace and love. And as always, stay warm out there. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.